been 4 years since I last performed on stage. So, eto po, kabalo. So, I'm going to say a Disney medley by Miss Lea Salonga. So, you can also sing with me.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where our heroes welcome will be waiting for me, and the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance and I'll find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Not an unknown route to embrace my fate, though that road may wander, it will lead me to you, and 1,000 will be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through, and I won't look back. I can go the distance and I'll stay on track. Now I won't accept defeat. It's a it's low, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance and my journey is complete. Come stop your crowd, it will be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other, that have to hold. They'll see in time.
No actor.
I know when destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know we'll show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart always. Look at me, I would never pass for a perfect man or a perfect dog. Can it be? free myself from their expectations. Come back day, I'll discover some way to be myself and to make my family proud. They want to talk so loud, no one knows who I am. Must there be a secret me I'm forced to hide? Last time pretended I'm someone else for all time. When will my reflection show who I am inside? Reflection show who I am
All right, yeah. And for those who do not know, she won as champion just this year. Yeah, this year, no? Yes. Last year for their what's that? It's a company event, a big Disney company event in Singapore. Wow. All right, and now let's welcome on stage. Actually, the next video nyo ako. Okay, kasi ako nag-video. All right. The next singer is not here yet. Na-traffic daw siya or something. Egg roll mamaya. Egg roll siya muna dito, akit dito. Alright, but I would like to call, of course, our Rizal. Jose Rizal? Our Jose Rizal in Rizal Behind Bars. We did this duet years ago. 2011 pa yata ito natin ito ginawa. Or parang ganon. Something like that. Okay, this is from the musical Jekyll and Hyde. Yan, siya si Jekyll, ako din Hyde.
Nagulat.
Ito lang gamitin ko.
Tama. Ano ba? Meron?
Alright, ano play?
Sila. Ay, naka-out. Wait. Mukhang natanggal eh.
Nawala ng... Natisod ko ba?
Mukhang
Alright.
nawala ng kuryente. Dali.
Okay, commercial break. Today is a fundraiser for our senior citizens of Molino 2, Bacoor, Cavite. This is a pay what you can event, and we have envelopes there, so feel free to drop what you can. Put your name if you want dedication. We're going to either have those envelopes raffled off to them, or we're going to buy them items that we gave off on December 19th. We have a Christmas party by their barangay chairman, namimigay si chairman ng bigas. So we're trying to add on to ano yung binibigay ni chairman. So last year we were able to give them spaghetti packs. So meron silang pang mag-buenas with their appos. Kasi di ba may mga old people na minsan sila pa rin ang nag-provide for their families. Yung iba naman inabandon ng kanilang mga families. So mag-isa na lang sila, spending for themselves. So we have a nice Christmas. So this fundraiser is for them. So, yun ba? To share what you do. Okay, here we are. Tumutulog na. Alright, so once again, this is from Jekyll and Hyde. Take me as I am.
Suwa ko na ala. Para sure.
Sound. Go ahead, Ray.
Huh?
Hello. Lalo kayo mga kamay. Na-distraction sa palakpak.
sure of my way, where I am going, but where's the prize I laid my eyes on? Where there is just no knowing, and where me to, who can I turn to but you know who I am. Take me as I am.
Look in my eyes, who do you see there? Someone you know, or just a stranger? If you are right, you will see me there. Love is the only danger. Love meaning me, love meaning you. We'll make that one dream come true. You know who I am. Take me as I am. The flame will always be what we desire. Still we can set the world on fire. Give me your heart. Give me your Take me as I Actually, I was supposed to sing with two people. They're both not here. Okay, so let's move forward to. Okay, I would like to call on, again, back on stage, please welcome. I know her as Chini, but you want me to call her Shin. Okay, Shin Del Rosario.
It's not simple to say that most things I don't recognize me. That these shoes and this apron, that plate and its pictures have taken more than I gave them.
She's actually my student in Cavite. Okay, bihira din kasi magturo sa Cavite area. And they don't have a recital. Sabi ko, this is her chance to perform in front of an audience para mag-practice yung kanyang napag-aralan. Actually, nung summer pa. And for this concert, we had only 1 day to rehearse. Yes, but good job, Chini. Yeah. And of course, yeah, back to our program. Please welcome back on stage, Tintin Monsanta, to sing a song from Raise the Love.
He's one of the virtual assistant at SB admins.
Ayan, nag-tag team pala kayo, hindi ko alam yun ah. Yeah. JC and Tintin are my virtual assistants and they also take care of the Facebook page of Rizal Behind Bars. And now we have 1,600 followers and counting. That's kanilang dalawa po yan. They take care of the Facebook page. And kung may kailangan ako sa video program and everything, they take care of it in spite their other work. So thank you very much. I'm very thankful for both of you. Ayan. And of course, continue with another day, Mr. Rob song. Please welcome back my daughter, my mini-me, AC Gamo.
Hi everyone, again, there I will be singing on my own because I have nothing else to sing. So yeah.
Outside. Okay. Alright. Gabby, what's your song? Asan ka? Where's Gabby? Ayan. What's your song? Yeah. Alright. So, another surprise guest for today. Please welcome on stage. Yeah, she is Charlotte's cousin. Yeah. To sing with a smile. And again, thank you very much, especially to those who sent donations for the senior citizens of Molina 2, especially to Ms. Dapo Del Mundo. Thank you very much for your donation. She sent it online. Please welcome on stage, Francine.
So we are halfway through. Thank you for the music. Yan, live. Kanina pa ako live. Yan. Guys, kanina pa ako live. Kaway muna kayo habang set up sila. Everyone. Yeah, Doctor is here. Yeah. Ayan po sila. Masyado sila tahimik ngayon. Walang kumakanta. Yeah. We are here at the Night Studio Creative Hub in Makati. Yeah, very nice place. Check it out. For rehearsals, for shows. And now on stage, Francine Gamo. Wala akong microphone. Where are the microphones? Okay, so while waiting, I would like to thank our sponsors for today, Mackey's Kitchen and Oclicious Apples Food House. Check out their Facebook. Hello. Check out their Facebook and Instagram, and of course, Closet Cosette. They have an IG and a Carousel account. Ayan po. And now on stage, please welcome Francine Gamo.
If you know the song, you can sing.
Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go on along the way. Get by with a smile.
You can win not everything, but you can try.
Baby, you don't have to worry. You ain't no need to worry.
No one ever said that there's an easy way. Sorry. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I'll say it
Anyway, girl, I'll stay through the bad times.
even if I have to touch you every day.
Get by with a smile.
You can never be too happy in this life.
You don't have to worry. It's a happy ending story. It's the one that love can make this world around. Let it bring you down, turn your face into a frown. Sing along a little prayer and this song. Girl, I'll stay. Don't be scared. In a world where everybody is a happy ending story, the wonder dog can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down, turn your face into a frown. Sing along with a little prayer and this song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared
All the things that could go wrong along the way.
Get by with a smile.
Isa lang? Isa pa. Isa lang?
More pa. More.
Kuya Mike daw. Kuya Mike daw.
Hindi ko na video yung thank you. Mamaya na.
Okay.
Maganda ko na. Yung
Nasa live. Naka-live siya.
Napag ano, stage mamaya. Ocellicious yata.
Ocellicious pa.
Hindi siya ocellicious. Ocellicious na lang. Mamaya. Kasi para masin pa lang. Wait lang.
Ang pag-ibig mo hindi magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit kay lumalayo? Puso'y laging sasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam? Tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa iyo at ika'y akin lamang. Ganung mangyari, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo pa rin. Kahit ano pa ang sabihin nila, ikaw pa rin ang mahal. Maghihintay ako kahit kailan, kahit na umabot ang ako'y nasa langit na. Hindi ka makita, ikiusap kay bathala na ika'y hanapin at sabihin paalala sa iyo ang nakalimutang sumpaan na ako'y sa iyo at ika'y akin lamang.
Alright. Okay. Yan. Actually, si Gabby sa Super Voice na lumaki to. Sa Super Voice baby. And a few years back, she also assisted for the guitar class of Super Voice at Paco Catholic School. Ayan, guitar teacher na siya. Ayan, naka-live tayo. And now let's go back to our performance portion. Please welcome back on stage, Mr. Khalil Tambio.
So, hello po ulit. Before I sing, I just want to acknowledge the presence of Doc Tonton Pascual.
Yes!
Round of applause naman. Thank you for coming. She's one of the cast members of Magnificat the Musical as well.
Correct.
So, yeah, thank you. I enjoyed it. So, for this next song that I'll be singing,
Wait lang. Asan yun?
wait lang po, hanapin
Ito, ito. Ayun ba?
Hanapin ko pa eh.
Yung bago.
Ayun na yun.
Okay na. It's a song from one of the recent movies of Sarah Jane, Popsters. Isa pang araw. Miss Granny yung movie niya. And this is really a touching song. Sana mabigyan ko po ng justice.
Siyempre naman.
So, hope you guys enjoy.
Dilim eh. Madilim.
Sa pagsikat ng araw, ikaw ang laging hanap. Sa pagbalik ng
Alright. And please welcome back on stage, Miss Tintin Monsanto.
So the next I'm going to sing is Wildflower by Martin Rivera. And I actually dedicate this song to my mom. And it's her birthday today, actually.
there's Mackie's Kitchen. We have food later after the show, so please stay. We're gonna eat together as one family. And of course, Aussilicious Apples Food House. They check out their FB and IG. And the Closet Cosette, their Harrison. And of course, Happy Rich TV. Yeah. David is here. His son plays the role of Victor Rizal for Rizal Behind Bars, and he's been covering our performances on his FB, on his YouTube, yeah, and his Facebook page. And of course, yeah, to my cast of Rizal Behind Bars. And thank you for you guys. Marami tayong pinagdaanan, di ba? Yeah, and of course, we are here where we stand now because of togetherness. Alright, so to continue our performance, please welcome on stage my Assistant Director for Rizal Behind Bars, Joseph Domingo.
Dito ako sa cute na mic.
Ayan, ikaw, sa cute or ano?
Nag-set up talaga yun.
Ano, nag-cheer pa ako. Alright.
Hello. Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Otep. Hindi ko masamang tao. Okay, there is an inch of a story about why I chose this song for tonight. Every December, every Christmas, people would ask me, ano ba yung wish mo, Otep? Say Otep yung nickname ko. Ano ba yung wish mo? Nahihiya akong sabihin kung ano yung wish ko, yung ultimate wish ko. Why? Because it is something that you just can't find in every store. It's something that money can't buy. And I guess it's something that I think nobody can do about. Only God can answer that wish, can grant that wish. And with this song, I will be telling you the story of that wish. So, direct? Walang practice to. May palarinig itong version na ito. This is an original by Gary Valenciano. Tagal ng panahon, awit mo'y di naririnig sa tuwing gabi ng Paskong tahimik. Tanging tinig mo ang nagpapasabik na hintay ko dakilang araw na sasabi kay tagal panahon sa'yo'y nangungulila. Nag-skip yata. At kung matutupad, ang dasal sa may kapal, makapiling kang muli ng isang sandali. Ang Paskong ito'y di ko pagpapalit sa lahat ng Pasko sa aking darating. Ang tanging hiling sa Paskong darating, hele mo inay muling marinig. Ang tanging hiling sa Paskong darating, muling maibig. So, hug our parents every day. Say your I love yous while they are still here. And please do it while you still can. Maligayang Pasko po. Ba't ang tahimik niyo, ba?
Ladies and gentlemen, all the applause. Thank you. Thank you very much for that song. Patawag daw.
Ayan, like I say, ang story po talaga behind that is that, alam nila to eh. Hindi, sunod lang. Hindi pa po kasi ako nakakapagpasko ever na kasama yung nanay ko. But she's still alive though. She's in another country. And yun nga, I haven't had a Christmas with her since birth. So until now, hanggang ngayon yun pa rin yung wish ko na waiting pa rin ako matupad. Yun, kaya yun yung kanta. Oh, maiyak na ako. Ayun, so yung mga parents nyo, yakapin nyo lang at nandun pa. At hanggang kaya pa nating sabihin kasi, you know, you never know life.
Yes, correct.
So,
Thank you
yun.
very much.
Thank you.
Joseph Domingo. Ikaw, ito malupot na namang ata to. Let's call back on stage. Kalil Tambio. Papayakin na kami.
Lungkot naman. So, sige. Tuloy na natin yung lungkotan. Uupo na rin ako. At nakalak na naman siya, tita. Okay, so this song, it's a sad song actually, and it talks about letting go of someone, which we all know na is never easy, di ba? So, here we go.
dream.